What type of play? God up.
Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, alright? Use portrait mode. Record empty background for few seconds. Then you can walk in. Then you lift your leg and do as if you cut your leg, alright? Lift your leg up. Do as if you cut your leg. Then you can hold your leg in surprise, with shock, as if your leg have cut, You do that, you hold your leg for some few seconds or some few minutes, alright? After that, you can now leave your leg and walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Click on it, look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. At this point, you mark out the empty space you are going to use. Then you click here, make a split. Then you go and look for overlay. Look for overlay. Click overlay. Put this one on overlay. Click on this one. Go and look for freeze now. Alright. Click on freeze. Alright. Click on freeze. Hold and drag it. Alright. After dragging it, you come back now. Click on this one. Take it to the beginning of the video. Then locate where you want your video to start from, guys. Alright. I want to be making a split here. You click and make a split. Delete that first part. Click this one. Take it to the beginning. Then at this point, alright, go to the end. Mark out where you want the video to stop. At this point, I will click here, make a split. Click on the other one, make a split. Delete this. Click this one. Delete this one as well. So at this point, you click here and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Allow it to remove completely, alright? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, alright? If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, alright? Give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. He has removed completely. Mark on this good now and go back. Alright, so at this point, the moment your hand touches your leg, alright, make a split here now. Make a split. Then you go and look for mask, alright? Go and look for mask, guys. Go and locate mask. Okay, look for mask. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle, alright? Expand the rectangle sign. Mark out the point where you make the cut. After here now, be sure you are not cutting your leg. You click on invert, alright? To review your full body. Then you take time, you are standing with one leg. There is no how you are going to be stable. So at this point, you go and click on keyframe so that you will make sure that everything moves smoothly. So you click on keyframe now, you are adjusting the video and you are watching that leg so that you make sure no part of the leg shifted or show, so that everything will move smoothly. So as you are moving the video now, you are identifying if there is anywhere maybe your leg shifted up or come down so that you make the square go smoothly. After checking now and you find out that everything is okay, so what we are going to be doing now is to click anywhere, alright? After watching it, take time to watch this place because this place is very important. This is one of the magic place. If there is no error, click anywhere now and you click on overlay, add overlay, right? Click on add overlay now. Come and bring your green screen wound, alright? Look at the wound there. You bring it in, you reduce the volume, then you drag it and put it at the point where you want it to be. Look at it. So go and place it on at the beginning of that where you make your cut, alright? After aligning it now, you want to click it and look for remove BG, guys. Then look for remove BG. Come back, look for remove BG, please. Click on remove BG now. click on chroma key, drag it up, right? Then you mark on that good and go back. Come back and click on the green screen. Go and look for adjust. Locate adjust, guys, all right? Click on adjust now, HSL. Click on it. Click on this green, reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. After that now, all right, we want to use our leg to expand or adjust the wound to place it at the point where you make the cut. Look at what I am doing. Use your hand, adjust the wound very well, all right? Adjust it. After adjusting the wound now, we want to be putting keyframe. Look at it, I've put keyframe. The reason for the keyframe is because your leg is not stable, so that the wound will always be stable on that place to cover the wound. So as you put it, you are adjusting. As you are adjusting, you are identifying the move of the wound. If there is anywhere the leg shifted, you can shift the wound there, all right? So that the play of the video will be very smooth. Look at what I am doing. At the end, you can see that the green screen did not get to the end. So look for duplicate now, then you duplicate it. As you duplicate it, you still use your hand to adjust because keyframe is there already. You still use your hand to adjust it to make sure it's smooth, all right? At the end of your adjustment, take time here to do your necessary adjustment so that it will look good. After adjusting it, the next thing is to go to the ending part of the video because the second green screen will be longer than the video. Look at it. So you come here now, it's neither you trim it or you cut, but I'm trimming. You can see after trimming it, then you can now play the video. Let us see what we have got. All right, look at it. So at the cost of playing this video, if there are some errors, you can take time to correct your errors. But if there are no errors, you play it and you find out that you have gotten what we want, we are going to be exporting this very one. So you click on export now, all right? Then you export this particular one, all right? After exporting it now, we are still going to be doing another work. So after playing it, then export this one. This one I've installed in our gallery. So click on done now. Click on done. Click on that CapCut again. Click on new project. Still import that your video for the second time. Do all the things we did. Click on volume, reduce volume, reduce it to 0%. Then you mark out your, like we did it the first. Mark out your empty background. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Come and click on this one now. Go and look for freeze, guys. Like we did the first one. Look for freeze. Then you freeze that empty background. Then you click it and drag. All right. After dragging it, click on this one and take it to the beginning like we did the first time. As you take it now, mark out where you want the video to start from. Look at what I am doing. At this point, I will click and I will make a split here. Then I will delete the first part. Click this one, take it to the beginning. Go to the ending part of the video like we did first. Mark out this place, make a split. Click this one, make a split. Delete this and delete this. Then you come back now. Click and go and look for remove BG, right? Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Allow it to remove completely, all right? Just exercise patient. Now the video I've removed completely. Mark on that good and go back, all right? So at this point, locate immediately your hand, touch your leg. You make a split like we did before, all right? So now you are going to go and look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Go and look for mask, all right? Locate mask now, all right? Locate mask, then click on mask, then click on rectangle again, all right? Mark this your leg out. Mark it out at the point where you cut it that time. Try to use your hand to know the exact point. After that, now after your necessary adjustment, mark anywhere. Then you make your screenshot. That is after you have marked your leg out. Take time here so that I will not make mistake. After you have marked your leg out, click anywhere. Then you make your screenshot. All right. As you make your screenshot now, cropple it, guys. Cropple the screenshot. Cropple it. After croppling it now, then you click on done. Click on done now. Save to photos. It has installed in your photos. Our job here is over. Close it and click on CapCut again. New project like you see me do. Then you import this very video you worked on, the first video you work on. This one, import it now. Then you click on overlay. Add the overlay. Photos now. Import this your leg. Bring it to the workspace. At this point, look, click on the video and go and look for remove BG. All right, look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Auto removal again. You remove. It has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we want to do the necessary adjustments. All right, look at what I am doing. Do your necessary adjustments. All right, drag it to the ending part. As you drag the leg to the ending part, you come back here now. Then you use your hand to do the necessary adjustment. After adjusting, you click on keyframe. Look at, I've clicked on keyframe. Then you drag the leg down. Then use your hand to turn the leg the way you want it to fall. All right, after dragging it down now, make it look good. Make it look good. After that now, we are going to be playing the video. Let us see what we have got so far. Good. Look at the result of the video. So at this point, our video is ready. Everything we want to put here is ready. Now what will be remaining is your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. Then after adding those things, can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. I'll put you through how to add your effects, and after that, you now export your video and share it to your social media handles. But there is another thing you want to understand in this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. All right, if you try to export the video now, you cannot be able to do that because you are not a pro member. But don't worry, we have got you covered as well. In one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. All right, go and watch it, and after watching it, you know how to export your video with ease. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. All right, give us thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.